Hey guys, Sean Alexander here, and for the next bit of our daily math videos, we're going to do something a little different. I'm going to teach a course on my favorite subject, the special theory of relativity. And the way we're going to do it is in very small chunks. So I want this to be really interactive. So if you're following this, please answer the question that I give you each day. Okay, and so today we're not going to do much. I'm going to posit one question to get the conversation started here, and then we're going to build on it as we go. So I really encourage you to email me back with your answer to your question, and I'll answer everyone back with as detailed as response as I can. Okay, so the question to get this all started is, what is a second? A second as in a second on a stopwatch. What is a second? So please take a moment to email me what you think your definition of 1 second is, and I'll do my best to answer those questions, and then we'll dive into it on a deeper level tomorrow. So quick video today. Look forward to hearing your thoughts. Take care. Bye.